All you pretty people. Today I'm talking about something really important in makeup, and that is called lip pencil. Lip pencil is basically a lipstick with a tip like so that you do not have to apply a lip liner before you apply any kind of lipstick of the sort. And the most important thing is that it's really good on the go. You do not have to run about finding a lip liner somewhere. Does suffice for a lip liner. Maybe not as precise as a lip liner, but yeah, good enough. So today I have four lip pencils over here to review, and I'm going to show you the swatches to tell you about the prices and the qualities of each of them. So the first one which I'm going to review is the one I'm wearing right now. It is called the Revlon Kissable Lip Stain Balm, and the application is much like so. I have done two strokes because it is a very sheer application. It is called a lip balm, and just because it is a lip balm, it does not have a very opaque finish as a lipstick would have. It is priced a little higher. It is for 700 bucks. It is retractable, has quite a precise tip. So, but it's almost like the Clinique Chubby Sticks, which I had, I finished, or else I would have done the review on it as well. Uh, the smell may be bothersome for someone, for some people, bothering people, because it has a minty kind of a smell, which many people don't prefer. It is much like chlormint, the smell. So yeah, if you do not like chlormint on your lips, so don't buy it. But yeah, it won't affect you as much because it does stay for say 15-20 minutes and then it lingers away. So you can buy this one if you like a sheer application. It does stay till you eat something. So yeah, it's not a color stay formula as such, but yeah, it after it settles down, it has a kind of a creamy finish. If you can see, it does have kind of a creamy finish. So yeah, for those who like a nice creamy textured lipstick with a tip. With the help of which you can apply a lipstick precisely, then yeah, this is a good bet for 700 bucks. The next one I'm going to review is my favorite of the lot. It is called the L'Oreal Glam Shine. It is priced at 400 bucks. It is also a retractable lip pencil. Mine, as I said, is my favorite, so I use it a lot. So the tip has actually faded away. It is a very shiny product, so it's best used for a night out because it's too glossy for a day, but if you like your glossy lipstick even during the day, you can go for it. It is has a very opaque finish. This one over here is the Glam Shine. I have a shade called Pomegranate Punch, which is darker than the rest of the shades because I think this shade suits the Indian complexion the best. So this is the one. It is quite opaque. It has glitter particles sort of things, which yes are quite shiny. According to me, this is a great product for those night outs at the club, or maybe even for cocktail parties in the day, because that is the time you like to dress up and wear a little bit of shine and gloss for at and a great bet for as an evening wear. The next one I'm going to review is it's actually not a lipstick. It is a lip stain or a lip tint. It has a felt tip pen tip. If you can see like this, it's not retractable, and it's like applying a felt pen on your lips. It does smell great, really great, and it's called the Max Factor Lipfinity Lasting Lip Tint. That's quite a long name, and I have the shade 03. Now this one is great for those who would like to fake rosy lips because it gets absorbed into the lips and doesn't look like lipstick at all. It looks like a natural lip color, but yes, those who have pigmented lips may not like it because it does not have an opaque finish and does not hide any kind of discoloration. I would not recommend this for people who have discolored lips because it, the parts of the lips which are not discolored absorb the color and become pinkish or whatever the color you have bought, and the rest of the lips remains to be pigmented, and the contrast is not good at all. So those who wish to apply a nice lip pencil, and those who have pigmented lips can go for the Glam Shine because of its opaque finish. Now for the swatch, this is the swatch for the Max Factor Lipfinity Lip Tint. Uh, yeah, it's kind of great. It is priced at 795 bucks, which is the quite an expensive price for a lip pencil. Uh, but yeah, if you like to fake those rosy lips, you can give it a go. And the last one I'm reviewing today is the Laka and Company Fat Lip Pencil. It it is has quite a lot of quantity, priced for 800 bucks. It's available at fabback.com. It is not an over-the-counter product. It is an international product which can be bought online. It has excellent payoff. If I have to show you this, you can see just one stroke gives a very opaque kind of a finish and conceals all kind of discoloration if you have any. This one I have is in a shade called Jammy Bastard. Yes, that's a shade, and yeah, it's kind of cool name, right? So mm, this one is my second most favorite because of its opaque finish, high payoff, and there is absolutely no need to build up the product because it just a single swipe probably would give you the finish you want. If you want a more sheer finish, just dot it around your lips and swipe it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.